All right, we want to check in with Wave 31 meteorologist Carson again this morning because it's looking like a beautiful day, but we do want to talk about later this week.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, just keeping a close eye on Thursday, guys. We still have that chance for a few strong, severe storms. I will say, I am not expecting Thursday to be a significant severe weather outbreak. We're not going to see these larger, violent tornadoes, nothing like that. But we might have some damaging wind gusts and maybe a quick spin up or two along the way. This morning, it is all quiet, just a little bit chilly out there. On the Wave 31 Skycam network, we're tracking those temperatures for the most part right at or just above freezing in the low to mid 30s, although we do have one outlier indicator where it's 28 degrees right now. Despite the chilly start to the day, it's still a good bit warmer compared to yesterday morning. That 24-hour temperature change on the order of 5 to 10 degrees warmer in most spots, again, compared to this time yesterday. Going through the day today, we'll have tons of sunshine, crystal clear blue skies, not a cloud to be found. We were in the 50s yesterday, and we're climbing well into the 60s this afternoon. Many of us topping out in the mid to upper 60s. In fact, that's about 10 degrees above average for mid-February. And we will stay dry on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. We'll stay dry today and dry tomorrow, and then we keep our eyes on Thursday. Here's what we're watching, our main threats, if you will. Heavy rain is our biggest concern. That's a high risk. We could see 1 to 2 inches of rainfall just on Thursday alone, and with those heavy rainfall rates, that could mean some ponding on the roadways and even some flash flooding too. Within the main line of storms on Thursday, we have plenty of wind energy. I mean a ton of wind energy to see some of those gusts get closer to 60, maybe 70 miles per hour. And with all of that wind, we get just enough spin right on the leading edge of that line. You know the drill. We can see a quick spin up tornado as well. That risk is low, but it is there. So let's walk you through future radar. Today, no problems whatsoever. Clear skies all day long. We'll see some clouds start to filter in, especially by Wednesday afternoon. But despite that cloud cover tomorrow, we're going to be right around 70. Now let's zoom things out just a little bit. Note the time. This is 6 o'clock Thursday morning. What we'll be watching closely around this time on Thursday morning is if we have any just plain rain showers develop. Nothing severe, but if those showers do develop, that could help limit our severe weather potential later on in the afternoon. Not a guarantee, but something we'll be watching about 48 hours from now. See some of those showers, at least according to this data source, continuing through the early afternoon hours before the main show arrives in northwest Alabama around 3 p.m. I will say we're still not ready to give you exact times with this line of storms just yet, but it looks like an afternoon, early evening situation as this line moves through. At least according to this one data source, we're talking about those storms arriving here in the metro by 5 o'clock Thursday evening. That could be a mess for the Thursday evening drive. And then moving into northeast Alabama, transitioning more so to an exclusive heavy rain threat by 7 o'clock Thursday evening. Still 48 hours away. A lot of fine-tuning still to do. Still have a few questions left to be answered. So just check back often on air and online at wavetv.com for updates. There's that rainfall forecast like I mentioned. Could see an inch, inch and a half, maybe even 2 inches of rain in some isolated spots just on Thursday alone. So we'll have to watch that flash flooding potential closely. 7-day forecast looks like this. How about those warm temperatures until that front gets here? 67 today, 68 tomorrow, 70 on Thursday, and then those temperatures crash. We are only at 47 on Friday, but the upcoming weekend looks pretty good. Seasonable temperatures 57 Saturday, 63 Sunday, and then 65 by next Monday.